sons of the rock stand up loud through every wind, and when we're bowed in every challenge, we'll rise and fight. Dumbarton's pride burning bright tonight. From the banks of the Clyde, we gather near with a spirit that's strong and a passion clear. Through the ups and downs, we've been through it all. The boys in black and gold answer every call. Heroes of old, their legends still alive. With each kick and tackle, we continue to strive. With the courage of lions and hearts made of steel, for Dumbarton's glory we'll never conceal. We are the sons of the rock, stand up loud through every wind, and when we're bowed in every challenge, we'll rise and fight. Dumbarton's pride burning bright tonight. On that green pitch where dreams arise, the roar of the fans and the battle cries. Each goal we score is a promise made. For the love of the game, we'll never fade. A tapestry woven with stories to tell, from the corners of England to the shores of the Fort Swell. So let's raise a glass to the team that we cheer. Dumbarton FC, forever held dear. In the tales of old, our history spins, from the challenges faced to the glorious wins. Through the seasons we've battled, through rain and through shine, in every heart you'll find we align. With our heads held high and a song in our hearts, for the sons of the rock will never part. The nights may be dark, but we'll shine on bright. With the spirit of Dumbarton, we'll win the fight. We are the sons of the rock, stand up loud through every wind, and when we're bowed in every challenge, we'll rise and fight. Dumbarton's pride burning bright tonight. So here's to the journey, to the highs and the lows. With the sons of the rock, our love steadily grows. So let's lift our voices through storm or through calm, for Dumbarton FC, our forever bond. Together we stand, united as one. In the heart of the rock, our spirit will